A huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. I feel very 70s today, but hello, welcome to another studio vlog officially. Today I am like officially caught up with everything. All the stuff that I have to do is off my to-do list, and I am officially in shop update creation mode. Today I want to get some earrings baked. I have had so many batches of failed earrings, but a lovely commenter on one of my videos said that you can get custom made cookie cutters, so you don't have to sit there trying to shape the clay perfectly. And so I got some. I got some off of Etsy. I'll have the seller right here because I don't remember, but yeah, I got a few, but right now I'm gonna focus on doing Salem and Clementine earrings and then little Cupid baby earrings, because I did a little Cupid cutout of how I like to draw my Cupids. So yeah, I think those will be the focus of earrings for this time. So I am gonna get those baked today. I'm not gonna paint them today because I don't want to burn myself out and focus too much on one project, but after I get those baked, then I'm gonna do product design for manufactured goods because that always takes the longest and I want it to all get here on time. Hello, Mr. Salem. You're so sleepy, my baby. I didn't want to bore you guys with more iPad drawing, but I just finished up this washi tape design. I haven't designed a new washi tape in a long time, so I wanted to do a little mushroom one because in terms of how long stuff takes to get manufactured, fall is coming up, so I thought this would be really cute. And it's like super funky, simple shaped mushrooms. So I just did this washi tape design with the template that my manufacturer provides for me. So yeah, one manufactured good done and checked off the list. So this girl is in need of a good watering, and I decided to use that opportunity to repot her because she has completely outgrown this little plastic pot. I'm going to break up her roots. Also, this is my newest plant friend. It's a variegated string of pearls. And normally the variegated type is very expensive, but she's very small, so she was $20. But yeah, I've always wanted one of these. I have had regular string of pearls in the past, but they always die on me, so I am hoping, no Salem, that's not safe. I am hoping and praying that she survives. I did not do the Kewpie ones this time because I ended up taking forever to get all the little head pins in there and everything. So yeah, I'll be doing the Kewpie ones this coming week, but these are baked and ready to be painted and then assembled.
Say hello.
So it is currently Friday. I went to my ceramics studio time today, and it really wiped me out because I worked really hard in there and I came home and I had lunch and then I knocked out because I literally was so exhausted, and I think it's because when I woke up at 6 this morning to work out, I was literally like, my body was just like, stop, and I didn't. But yeah, so I'm pretty much done with my work day. I sketched a little bit. I did a little bit of admin by responding to like emails and stuff, but I really don't have any more creative juice left today. So it's Friday and officially my weekend starts. I'm looking very rough today. But hello, happy Monday. Yeah, today has been really chill in the sense that I had no expectations for myself. Because, and maybe you guys start to go through this, I'm sure you do actually, but I kind of started forgetting to do things that I like, which is not good. And I think it especially happens when you like your job. When you have a lot of fun doing your job, but it's still work. And I think I haven't been doing things that I like for a while now, and I didn't notice, but it's starting to really hit me. So yeah, I need to be reminded to play video games and to like do other things that I like other than art. Because yeah, I started getting really tired. So yeah, that's how I knew that I was headed in a wrong direction, because I started dreading working, and nobody likes that. That's not fun. I don't make good art when I dread work. So, and I actually ended up being a lot more productive than I thought I was gonna be. So that's pretty fun, pretty cool. I ordered washi tape. I ordered the thank you cards that I showed you guys. I have been working on stickers, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to order all of those tomorrow. Salem is just losing his mind. So I'll probably be able to order all stickers, including sticker sheets, tomorrow, which is really exciting. So I am close to finished to ordering manufactured goods. I'm still trying to decide whether or not to do memo pads, because for some reason I'm not good at designing them. I never end up liking the designs that I make. Whether it's the company, because I've used companies that have like really horrible quality, and then sometimes I've used companies that have like really weird paper. So I just haven't figured out like my memo pad groove yet. I don't know if I want to try it again, because memo pads are very expensive to manufacture. So I'm gonna sit on that. But yeah, I've pretty much reached the end of my work day. I'm not gonna push myself anymore. Normally I would, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna do stuff I think is fun. So before I end today's vlog, I am gonna quickly talk about the sponsor of the video, Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website. It is the platform that I have always used to run my website and my business since the beginning. They have a very easy to use design interface. Their commerce tool is really helpful to help me see orders and inventory, etc. And website analytics help me see how my website is performing. So if you're interested in a free trial, you can go to squarespace.com and use my code for 10% off your first purchase.